So today we will be talking about noun as object complement, noun as complement of a preposition, and noun as a position. Noun as object complement. Noun becomes an object complement where it refers to the same person or thing as the object of the sentence. Examples include, the governor appointed Victor's personal assistant. Personal assistant is the object complement. They called the ladies flirts. Flirts is the object complement. The king has made them chiefs. Chiefs is the object complement. Now moving on to noun as complement of a preposition. The functions of nouns under this topic are made possible by some prepositions such as to, from, in, outside, of, etc. by showing the relationship between the subject and the corresponding object. Examples include, I beckon to Mary. To is the preposition while Mary functions as the noun complement of the preposition. The lady lives in Lagos. In is the preposition while Lagos serves as noun complement of the preposition. The boy bought the bus from the school. From is the preposition while school functions as the noun complement of the preposition. Noun in opposition involves the use of two nouns side by side in a sentence to state the person or thing in two different ways. In this regard, the person or thing is more clearly described. However, noun in opposition supplies us with two pieces of information about the object: first, the name of the person or the thing, and secondly, his position or the physical appearance of the thing in question. Examples include, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, the former president of Nigeria, made a long speech yesterday. Here, we have two pieces of information: the name and the position occupied by Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. The two nouns refer to the same person. However, attempt the following questions. Who is Chief Olusegun Obasanjo? Chief Olusegun Obasanjo is the former president of Nigeria. Who is the former president of Nigeria? Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Now, you are getting it. When a sentence is constructed in this manner, what we have is the name of the person or thing, plus the position or the status. Thus we called it, nouns in opposition.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.